Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're going to be driving around Kingston Wharf, and we are now in Newport West. We just turned on to First Street, and this is the wharf area basically. You're going to find a lot of trailers, a lot of containers, a lot of warehouses, a lot of freight forwarders, a lot of haulage companies, everything to do with the shipping of goods and the clearing of goods. You're going to find a lot of brokers. So on the left and the right, you're going to find all those companies. Now, the Port of Kingston is the largest port in Jamaica. So you're going to find that this is the busiest port, and it has a lot of traffic. And also Kingston and St. Andrew has the largest population, and then you have Portmore and Spanish Town. So you're going to find a lot of containers, a lot of goods coming into this port. On the left is a warehouse. I don't remember the name of the company, but that warehouse recently burnt down. And the land is being cleared now, and it looks like they're going to rebuild something there. Where you have this wall is where the warehouse used to be. But we're going to get a better look at it. Straight ahead is the Kingston Wharfs facility. As you can see, this is a very busy area. And as is the custom in Jamaica, car just stops in the road to talk. So yeah, we'll just go around them. Could take a while. Straight ahead, that building is the Kingston Wharf building, and that's where persons go to clear their goods. On the right, where you see these cars turning, that's the entrance to the parking lot for the Kingston Wharf building.